everybody, it's Christy. I'm back with another YouTube video. This is just some new product that I just had to share with you. All of these products are available over in the Paper Issues store. I will link them down below so that you can get your hands on it. I do have a code, so if you use my code Christie, you will save 20% off your entire purchase, and that includes all of the new lines as well. So I wanted to start by sharing this new Pink Fresh Holiday Magic line, and I'm going to share all of the embellishments, and then I will put you on fast forward to show you the papers, and then we will do one other collection. So let's show it off. This collection is so scrumptious, so many bright colors. It comes with lots of embellishments, and I'm going to go through all of those with you now. So the first thing that you can get, that you do get in this line, that you can get with this line are enamel dots and metallic enamel dots. So the Holiday Magic colors, they always match perfectly with the lines, and then you can also pick up the metallic enamel dots in gold and silver. Really it's kind of a flat metallic, so you don't have that shine on the top, which I really, really appreciate. Then there's 2 packs of die cuts / tags. So we have this one, which is the title Ephemera, and you get all of these in this set, all of these titles. And then we have the die cut tag set, and look at all of the tags, 24 tags. This one has 38, and this one has 24 tags. I love this. I was tempted to get 2 of those just because I love them so much. You also can pick up the Puffy Stickers, which has 33 pieces. I always love these. They add the perfect little touch to your projects, little stars, so you get small elements as well as some bigger elements there. These are the Cardstock Stickers, which are always great. I love this metallic that they used. It is perfect. It's not overly yellow gold. It is great. So I'm loving that. And then there is this set of Chipboard Frames, which I always love and appreciate. I use them and tuck them behind things, but it also has some other pieces as well. You get 15 pieces. And then look at this alpha set. This is it's flat chipboard red alpha, and red is good for all seasons. You can use it in all ways, so make sure that you get your hands on that. All right, let me put you on fast forward so we can flip through these papers. And the other Christmas line is a Cozy Christmas by Fancy Pants, and it is adorable, you guys. I specifically asked Cassie to pick this up, so I am super excited for this one. You can get a 6x8 paper pad, die cuts, enamel dots, and these buttons. So I'm going to go through the embellishments and then do the same thing, put you on fast forward so that you can see the papers. So the first thing you get are these designer buttons. They have foam adhesive on the back, but look at how cute. Look at the sweater, the snow globe, so cute. Then you can also pick up the enamel dots. I don't know why I keep saying you don't get unless you buy them. So these enamel dots are so good, brown and cream, which are hard to find. And then you can also pick up the Cozy Christmas Ephemera pack, which is so adorable. Look at this Merry and Bright banner. I feel like, sorry for the crinkling, but I feel like I need to see this. Look at how freaking cute. Love it. All right, so you get lots of pieces. Their ephemera is always chock full of pieces. I still have my damaged finger, so I'm going to do my best to show you these things and not gross you out with it, but I had to keep a band-aid off of it for a time because it needed to heal. All right, so those are the embellishments. Let me go ahead and put you on fast forward so I can show you the papers. All right, you guys, so those are two of the newest collections for Christmas over in the Paper Issue store. Again, everything is linked down below so that you can check out the link and shop the store. Thank you so much, you guys, for tuning in. I hope that you found this video helpful and that